Good morning, everyone. It is the beginning of week 2, and I just wanted to touch on a few things. So, first, let's look at navigating the course room. I'm sure you know what to do, but I just want to make sure. I'm going to click on discussions. Computer's a little slow this morning. It's Monday. And here you see everything. This is a little bit different than last time. Last time certain ones were more hidden and you only saw the discussion question and you had to go other places. Now everything is here. So we've got our weekly discussion post, and that's identified by the D. And then we have an extra assignment, essential questions discussion. And let me move me out of the way. And it's again due by the end of the week too. And this is, you're going to formulate your essential question, why is a job analysis important? And you're going to create 2 essential questions that you think will help you focus on writing your portfolio project. So this exercise is to get you started on your portfolio project. Don't forget the part here. Briefly discuss how your questions will guide the development. This portfolio project, don't use it for the position you're currently in. Use it for the position you want upon graduation, because that's where you're going to find the most value. Sometimes people will do it from the perspective of where they're already sitting, and that's okay if you're not going to move into a new position. But I'm hoping, since you're all working on a degree, you're working towards something more, growth even within it in your current company. So make sure that's where this portfolio project is heading. It's going to help you explore what employers want when you move into that new position. So have fun with this project. Don't use it as just a quick, let me hurry up and get through it. Actually take time to enjoy working on it. But again, you've got 2 things due this week. Now, I want to jump back up here real quick. Again, remember to follow the grading rubric. This past week, I did give everybody 100 because it was a short week. It was just a very general question. But when you're answering the discussion post, you're going to almost every week we'll have an article. Cite the source, the article, that's 1 reference. Cite your textbook, that's 2 references. That's points. That's how I'm looking. There's a check when I'm doing the grading rubric. 1 reference, 2 reference, 0 references. If you don't give me references, honestly, that looks like you're plagiarizing because you got the information from somewhere. So give me the 2 references. Also remember to post early so that you can engage with me, because that's a requirement, and 3 peers over 4 days. Don't wait till Saturday and hit 10 people. I don't even think there's 10 in here. All 8, 7 on Saturday night. You won't get the points. You get the points based on your engagement over days and peers. You'll look again at your grading rubric and it'll say, did you engage over 3 days, 2 days? Did you not participate? Was everything over 1 day? So that I really want you to make sure you understand. Your engagement is with me, and that's a separate day. Engaging with me doesn't count if it's on, like say you did 3 peers on 3 days, but you also engaged with me on 1 of those days. That's only 3 days. Me and 3 peers, 1 per day. And again, that's where I say, set alarm in your phone. Maybe you get up, you look on Sunday, what is due, you start getting your idea, you map out 4 questions, or 4, at least 3 for your peers, because you're going to have to reply to what I ask. And then on Monday, you see somebody's already posted, so you look, which of my questions would be a good question to ask this person? Boom, you're in there. 5, 10 minutes, 7 minutes? Not much time, but you met that 1. Then on Tuesday. Now, if Tuesday everybody else has replied, don't go in and reply to everybody on Tuesday. Remember, you got to space it out. So again, Tuesday, boom, day 2. Wednesday, day 3. Thursday, day 4. And guess what? Friday comes along, you can enjoy the weekend, or Friday comes along and you can do your discussion post on the weekend. You don't have to post your discussion post in order to reply to people. Remember that. And that's also where people get in trouble. And I've had some who will do the replying and never do the post. I invite you again to really look at that grading rubric. Have it handy when you're working through this. If you've already posted, go back and edit. Click the edit and add your references. It will be, I don't want to say it's a deal breaker, but it does come into the points of, ooh, I could have had an A if I had cited both my references. I could have had an A if I engaged. So plan your time accordingly. I think everybody's working. Many of you have small children. For me, even, it's best to do it first thing in the morning. I log on first thing to make sure I'm in here. And again, if you need something, the best way to get hold of me is through text message. 910-539-2810. I'm looking at the time. I'm going to keep this short. If you've got any questions about what's required, again, look at the grading rubric. Look at the tracking calendar. And right here, log in, see what's due. Don't wait till the last minute. Have an amazing Monday, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.